Welcome back to the Calibrate Tools channel. Have you ever had an airbag blow out on you while you're driving down the road? Or maybe you noticed your airbags are flat like a tire and they won't go up even when the air is supplied to them. Well, it could be a leak, it could be any number of things. In this video, it's actually a mechanical component that went bad on this trailer that we're going to look at today. So this one's for the truckers out there or anyone driving those big vehicles that have airbag issues. Stay tuned. I'll see you right after this. Okay guys, we got an airbag problem on the trailer here, and we're going to take a look at it and see what the issue is. Just show you guys where it is. That's the problem right there. See that box? Okay, so that's the problem right there, guys. That box that controls the airbags in the back of this trailer, something's wrong with it. Air is escaping from one of those components inside the box, so we had to replace the box. So this box is called a trailer lift kit. It allows you to electronically raise and lower your airbags by either letting air out of your airbags to lower it or allowing more air to come into your airbags to raise it from the standard level that it's already on. Okay, so it can raise it higher than it usually is or lower than it usually is. You can do that by means of a switch on the front of the trailer. Now, all trailers don't have this switch in the front that controls the raise and lowering kit, okay? But this particular brand of trailer does. So right now it's in the neutral position. Here it's in the up position, and it raises the back of the trailer up that way. Here it lowers the airbags. Air was escaping out one of these components here, and you can hear it because it was making a very loud sound when we lowered it down to the neutral position. Now, if you notice, there's some tubing coming through the box, the copper looking tubing there, okay? And they have fittings on the end that connect to the components, okay? The valves and so forth. Now, if you notice, the fitting up here is disconnected from the valve or the component, and the other two are still connected. Well, I decided not to try to disconnect the other two because you can't pull the tubing out. The goal was to take all the fittings off inside the box, pull them off, and pull the tubing out and just take the box off, okay? Disconnect the electrical and just take the box off. See that fitting right there? We gotta be able to get that off so we can pull the tubing out so we can install the new box. We have to do that for 3 of these airlines here. Okay, that one, and that one. These 3 airlines, okay, that enter the box. That proved to be pretty difficult because those fittings are press fittings and they won't come off the tubing, so you can't even pull them off the box. So what we were trying to do is peel off these seals here to see if the hole is wide enough to pull the fitting through, which also did not happen because the holes are too small. So we decided to separate the box from the tubing by just cutting off the tubing from the outside and making it a lot easier that way. So we're gonna use the generator welder, the power from that welder on the back of this truck. We need some electrical power to cut the pipes, cut the airlines. Turn it on. So after we cut the tubing and we disconnected the electrical, we went ahead and cleaned up or deburred the tips of the tubing with a flat disc so it can make it easier for them to enter the new box we put on. I am 100% sure that you've learned something today about airbags, about trailer lift kits, and trucking. All right? Maybe just a little bit, right? If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.